Hello everyone. Welcome to the lesson Introduction to the Data Science. I'm Anisha Chingan. I'm a founder of Science Data Science. I have 16 plus years of experience in data science and development. I'm working as a lead data science instructor or subject matter expert with the reputed company. I'm also working as a mentor with the reputed company. So today, this video I have built for the students who want to transition their career into the data science, who want to upskill their skills to join the world of the data science, and who are totally beginner, they don't have any knowledge. What is the data science, from where they should begin, and what skills and which job role they should choose when they are transitioning their career into the data science. So if you are any of them, then this is the right place for you today. So let's start. Today's learning goals are, I'm going to explain what is data science and what does it do, what are the applications of the data science, life cycle of data science, what are the popular tools used in data science, popular skills required to learn based on job role in data science. This will help you to decide what is your goal if you are transitioning your career into the data science. This is the most important step of your career, because students think about, like, I want to switch into the data science because this is the most popular technology in the world. Yes, this is true. If you are transitioning into the data science, this is the best decision ever you are going to take. But they have a no idea what they want to become and which for which job role, on what skills they should focus on. Because data science is not a small world, it's a huge world, and it contains many tools, many things to learn. So we will now start with the definition of what is data science. So I will explain it as a layman first. What is data science? Data science is a combination of using the tools like stat, math, computer science, and data processing. So this is like, for example, if you have a one data set of the house sale price. In the house sale price, you have the input of the data, like number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, number of garage, area of the house, and what will be the price of the house. So these are the features you have with you. So what is the input feature when you are going to buy any house? What would you like to see? You will see, is it near to bus stop? Is it near to school? It should be a big, according to your requirement. How many garage it has, how many bedrooms, how many rooms, so on. So these all are input features, and then you decide to buy a house. And on the other side, realtor decide what will be the price of the house. So those the features I have mentioned, this is called input features in data science. And the price is known as a target. So if you are getting this data set, I am your stakeholder, I am asking you, can you bring out some meaningful insights from this raw data set? Can you tell me how many houses will be sold in a coming year or month? Or what type of customers has bought last year, how many houses in which area, and what will be the pricing list of the houses my company sold most of the time. So these are a kind of like a useful insights, right? You can bring out. So in earlier days, the data was structured and people are able to bring out the insights very easily. In today's world, the data is in with the coming with the high volume. It's a challenging job. So data science is jumping. So data science helps you to analyze or bring out some useful insights from the raw data using the tools like your statistics, maths, computer science, your coding skills, subject expertise, and so on. Here you can see on the screen, I have mentioned the very good example, one more example. if you want to go from one place to another place, let's say you are going from place A to place B. So how would you take the decision how you are going to there? First, the input feature will be you will decide either you are going to take your personal car or bike or you are going to take a public transportation. Second input feature will be which route you are going to follow with the less traffic. Third feature is you will decide at what time you will go. So there are many decisions involved in this to go from from your one spot to the destination spot. So if you are taking the decision by looking at these input feature and you decide, I will take my personal car and I will go to this destination by following this path. So this means you bring out the decision, you are taking the decision by looking at these input features. So this is the data science. Now, this is what is data science. I have explained with the two examples. If you still have any questions, you can ask the questions in the comment box, and you can contact@sciencedatascience.com. Now I have a 2 MCQ for you, so it will help me and also help you how much did you understand about the definition of the data science. So what is data science? Look at these these four options and comment the answers in the and answer your question in the comment box. The next question is, which of the following best describe the primary goal of the data science? So what is the primary goal of the data science? You need to answer out of these four options and you can type your answer in the comments. Thank you. Now we will move ahead with the next topic, that is applications of the data science. So there are multiple, I am going to talk about the top applications in the market in real time. So it will be easy for you to understand how the data science is taking over real life. If we talk about the speech recognition, if you may have seen many chatbots and other applications which help to recognize if someone is speaking, is this the voice of male, female, or kid? And if we talk about the internet search, it's too advanced, right? Behind this, the AI algorithms are running. If you want to search the pictures of cat and dogs, how it come out with the only those pictures. Digital advertisements, it's another very good, like the applications. Now we are using several AI tools to marketing over data. Recommender system, this is very popular system. Like if you want to recommend anything to your stakeholder, for example, if you are like watching the Netflix, you are doing the shopping online through on any website like Walmart, Superstore. So when you are searching for the specific thing, like let's say you are searching on the Walmart site, a red color t-shirt, and when you search it, it will start recommending itself. You can buy with the combination of red t-shirt, this trousers, these pants, and this is a purse, and so on. And same with the Netflix. When you are watching any kind of movie like thriller, comedy, devotional movies, how the Netflix start recommending you the movies based on your taste. So this is the recommender system. So this means the data scientist build the recommender system for the stakeholder of the Netflix and the other sites to recommend this things to the client. So it is helping them to generate their more revenue, right? And then we can talk about the price comparison websites. There are many. If you are going to buy a car, you want to do the comparison of three different, like the car brands like Tesla, Hyundai, and Honda. So there is also the algorithm behind this. Gaming, AI is everywhere. Now you can create a games using AI tools. Delivery logistics, it is also very helpful in the delivery things. Fraud and risk detection, this is also useful like in the bank system. If you are getting the call for the credit card, how is this card is this call is fraud or not? Image recognition is another very big, like the application of the data science. If you are giving the like the input of the images cat and dog, how the machine is recognized if this is a picture of cat and dog based on the given features. If you are if you are giving the input feature of the cat, it has 2 eyes, 4 legs, 1 tail, fat, it's like a centimeter of their body, the length of the body. So it is deciding, your machine is deciding based on the given these features. And when you are searching on the internet, this is also. So this is all are the few top popular applications of the data science. There are more applications if talk about we healthcare department. If we talk about the finance department, in healthcare department, it is used to check if the patient is diabetic or not, if the patient has a heart disease or not, and so on. So these are the applications of the data science. We will do the 2 MCQA now. So how is the data science utilized in the healthcare industry? So you can type the answers out of this. All right. The next question is, which of the following is an application of data science in the entertainment industry? So you can type the answers by reading these 4 choices. Developing a smartphone hardware, predicting user preferences to recommend movies and TV shows, designing eco-friendly packaging, conducting geological surveys. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the comment box. Now we will talk about the life cycle of the data science. This is the most important part of the data science. Before you are transitioning into the data science career, you should know for how many phases you are going to how many phases you are going to learn when you are transitioning into the data science. This is a complete life cycle. If you are taking the boot camp from us, if you are taking the boot camp from any other like the organization, you are going to learn all these steps in the detail. Business understanding, this is the most important topic. How would you, like if you have a data set, you will talk to the domain expertise, stakeholder, and try to understand what is the goal of this data set and what is the goal of the stakeholder is asking for regarding the data set. Data acquisition. So you will collect the data from the different locations. Data preparation, you will do some data preparation. You will go through the data, what kind of features it has, integer, float, and your object type, and how many features you have. You will explore it in detail. Exploratory data analysis means it includes the visualization as well. It includes the transformation of the data. Because if you have the categorical data like a string data in your data set, you need to convert it into numeric because your machine do not understand what is a string data, do not understand the string data. So you have to transform into numeric. And then feature engineering means that this is like you will check the correlations, you will check which features are important for your data, and you will try to handle the missing value, duplicates, and everything. Data modeling, you are going to, it's a time to build a model according to your goal. Either it's a regression classification. Don't worry about these technical more terms. If you are a beginner, you can ask the question, and you can also book a meeting. I have shared my all links in the description box. Data visualization means data interpretation after building the model. You can visualize your model, you can give the interpretation, and this is the complete life cycle of your data science. This is each phase you are going to learn in a detail, and then you will become a data analyst, data scientist, machine learning engineer, or whatever field you chose. Okay. So now let's do a 2 MCQA after this. Which of the following is the first stage in the data science life cycle? Data cleaning, data collection, data analysis, and data visualization. Please write your answer in the comment box. And the second question is, In the data science life cycle, what is the primary purpose of the data preparation stage? This is to develop a machine learning models, to interpret and present the results, to clean and transform raw data into the format suitable for analysis, to collect the data from various sources. So this is about the two questions of the MCQ. Now we will move ahead. So these are the popular tools you will use in data science. This is the Python-based tools, open source tool, open data science source tools, AI tools. Although there are many more tools, but I'm going to talk about the popular tools. This is the Python-based means Python, Pandas, NumPy, Seaborn, and Matplot. Python is the most popular programming language we use to learn the data science. So you can program, you write the program algorithms using data science, and you can do the analysis. Pandas, NumPy, Seaborn, and Matplotlib is the most popular library. You need to learn. It's a mandatory library if you are transitioning your career into the data science. And then open source data science tools are SQL, GitHub, Google Colab, Jupyter Notebook. SQL you use to collect the data. GitHub you use to build your job portfolio. Google Colab and Jupyter Notebook are the tools we use to write the Python coding programming. And then there are AI tools. Many students use the ChatGPT as well, but I would recommend, although this is a part of every program, but I would recommend use it only and only when there is no other option. And this is also, I would say, it cannot be 100% correct. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the box. Now we will talk about the popular job roles and skills required to learn in data science. So you can see, I have defined it using this walls. In these, like I'm talking about the most popular positions in the data science. This is data analyst, machine learning engineer, data scientist. The circle, which is the darkest circle means you need to work on that skill at a deeper level. Like for example, if you want to become a data analyst, you should be very good and very deep learning about the programming tools like Python, their libraries, or maybe if you are doing the course in R. Data visualization and communication, this is the second most important tools you should learn. Data intuition, this is important, but not like important other two skills. Statistics is very important. Other tools are you should learn, okay, but this is not, you don't need to go at a deeper level. You should have the knowledge if you are joining as a data analyst, because the company is expecting from you to business understanding, exploring the data, and at that time you are going to use the programming tool. And same for the other three, your positions. So the goal behind to show you this, to show you this picture, so you can decide what you want to become in the data science, because now you have the knowledge about what is data science and what are the tools you used and why we are using it, real-time applications of the data science, life cycle of the data science, and then the popular job roles. If you want to check out the salary about these, you can go to the salary.com and you can check you can do the survey of these positions, how much they are earning in today's. And in the upcoming years, how much salary they are going to get. The average salary for the data analyst is starting from 60K to 100K. And same for the data scientist. But the data scientist, like the salary can go higher. It depends upon your experience. And it also depends upon the company you are going to join. So salary also varies on the company to company and the level of the experience. Now, this is all about the most important things. What is data science, its applications, data life cycles, and what are the popular job roles. I hope you have a clear vision now about the data science and which role you want to go, and then you can decide and work on these tools before completely jumping into the data science boot camps or other things. Kindly note all images used in this video are from third party, and I have shared the link of the third party image source as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. I'm going to explain about in the next video about the Python, its a setup, and few interview questions. Thank you.